Hello and welcome to IELTS Speaking Studio. Today we have another IELTS speaking practice session. Let's begin with a few questions about cold weather. Have you ever been in very cold weather? When?
Yes, I have experienced very cold weather several times. One of the coldest days I remember was last winter when I visited Montreal. The temperature dropped to -20 degrees Celsius, and it was freezing. I had to wear several layers of clothing, but even then, the cold wind made it quite uncomfortable.
How often is the weather cold where you come from?
I come from Kerman, a city in Iran. Although winters can be chilly, they are not as extreme as in some other regions. The temperature sometimes drops below zero, but it rarely snows. However, in some parts of the city, especially near the mountains, the weather can be much colder.
Are some parts of your country colder than others? Why?
Yes, definitely. Northern Iran, especially areas near the Alborz Mountains, experiences much colder weather than the southern parts. For example, cities like Ardabil and Tabriz have freezing winters with heavy snowfall, while the southern regions, like Bandar Abbas, remain warm throughout the year. The difference is mainly due to the varying altitudes and proximity to the sea.
Would you prefer to live in a hot place or a cold place? Why?
I prefer to live in a place with a moderate climate, but if I had to choose, I would go for a colder place. Cold weather is easier to handle because you can always wear warm clothes, whereas in extremely hot weather, there's only so much you can do to cool down. Also, I enjoy winter activities like skiing and ice skating, which makes cold weather more exciting for me.